to ourselves, no? At naging self-sustaining ang buhay namin sa Pilipinas without leaving the country. We can bring more people back. We can bring more Filipinos back, no? Parang gano'n. Kasi nag-migrate o kaya naging OFW. Hindi mo masisisi, wala kasing opportunity, di ba? Whereas if we will generate opportunity and online, no, e-commerce is a trend to create more and more opportunities, kailangan lang aralin, no? Yun nga lang, hindi siya binibigay sa kamay, no? Na immediately, parang franchise, di ba? Or multi-level, hindi ganun eh. We have to study it. And good thing, marami na nag-step out, dati ako lang, or a few, or actually, feeling ko noon ako lang eh. So, I encourage a lot of people to step out na, hoy, magturo kayo, huwag niyong sarilihin ang success ninyo. Ganon. At marami namang na-encourage, no? Ngayon, napakarami na ng mga internet guru o kaya mga mentor na iba't ibang klase ng pagkita or yung style to earn money online ang tinuturo. Hindi lang export, kasi ako ay more on export eh. Meron na ring import, yung China domestic, yan, okay, bibili ka sa ibang bansa, i-domestic mo yung e-commerce. Iba-iba, may affiliate marketing, may blogging, di ba? Tapos as a blogger, pwede kang kumita by generating leads doon sa mga products and services na binibenta, di ba? Marketer. So, these are the things that we want, no? Filipinos to take advantage because the opportunity is so infinite, no? And I feel that it is a great solution, no? Sa nadagdag sa ating economy, and we preserve the family. So yun yung aming objective.
Okay. So I understand po na you are the specialist on logistic business development and US warehousing for sendmailogistic.com. Can you tell us something about it po?
Yeah, oo, ano rin yan. Kasi I've been teaching for 6 years, no? And one of the hurdle or parang hesitation ng mga tao is when you export, we do not know how to ship. So I'm teaching people how export tayo, benta natin mga Filipino products, handcrafts, handcrafted arts, and anything that we manufacture or produce. Yet they are so afraid of shipping kasi nga may custom, international, how many days, what is the best transit, how much. These are kalahati ng e-commerce, no, as far as exporting or importing is concerned, yung logistic or shipping. So what I did, para sure na yung tinuruan ko ay hindi lang naturuan and then tumunganga, ano, wala nang nangyari, di ba? I decided to create sendmailogistic.com, no? Whereas all my knowledge and all the updates about international shipping is there. Parang ganon. And it has no membership. It is like it is not a blog site, no? I cannot write. I'm very poor at writing. Pero it included mail rates, no? And then it has an updates, no? In different countries, no? Custom strategies, and that is available especially to my students, no? Or people who are enrolling to my program. Para yun siguradong support. But everybody can view it, no? Ano naman yun eh. Yeah.
Para siyang forum or...
Hindi siya forum. Talagang parang siyang e-book na online.
Oh. So libre yung e-book or yung course?
Parang gano'n. Nasundan mo na lang siya. May pages doon ng international zoning. Ano ba, halimbawa, meron kang client sa Chess Republic. Ayan. Saan ko naman kukunin ng information, di ba? Ayun, available na doon. Na eto na ang rates ng Chess Republic. Merong 10 days, 21 days, 14 days, sea freight, lahat na nandun na. Diba? Pero pag student kita, of course, I will personally guide you through Skype, no, to be sure. Pero you don't need me to ship by, you can use Send My Logistic without me coaching you. Kasi it's how do you say that? Self-explanatory. Diba? Like kung Dubai, meron doon rates from how much for Dubai for 3 days, how much if it's 21 days, ganon. Ito lang ang weight ko, kalahating kilo, what are my options, nakalagay na rin lahat doon. Diba? Just don't make me explain it one by one to you, no? Not unless you are part of my program. But as a person, you can access it. You can look at it right now. www.sendmaylogistic.com. Nandoon yung logistic. That's the support, no? That I'm trying to give, no? To everybody, and most especially to the people who are enrolling to my courses, no? Kasi meron akong mga courses. Although, eto hindi ko talaga work yung magturo-turo kasi ano yan hirap tayo nga. Ang tagal natin magkita, di ba? Yun. Pero I select people who I teach. So may kaiba yung sistema ko. Pero we do workshop. So kung hindi kita mapili kasi minsan kasi busy talaga ako o kaya may mga naka-line up akong mini-mentor, so minsan nadidelay. Pero we provide workshops, no, na you don't need me personally. You can go to the workshop and just learn, no. So parang seminar yun ang dating. So lahat-lahat doon. So hindi pa rin ibig sabihin na hindi ka pwede ngayon sa mentorship programs, wala na. So, nandun pa rin, pwede pa rin. Just go to PayPal 101, diba? May PayPal 101 kami last year. Ngayon naman, e-course 102, diba? It's a public teaching, no? Pero for mentorship, yung individualized, kasi ganun yun pag may business ka na, gusto mo akong magturo sa'yo. Minsan, may ganun talaga Gusto personal coaching So, it's per application basis selective, and it's selective. And then, Send May Logistic na support, no? Everybody, not just those who are under my mentorship, they can just, go in and browse through, no? Ganon. Yun ang dating. E-book na hindi naman siya talaga, it's a book na nag-separate ang pages na naging navigational siya. So, I know for a fact na maraming gumagamit ng Send May Logistic. And comparative din kasi siya. What if I ship through postal service? How much will it cost me? What if I use UPS or FedEx or TNT or EMS or air parcel or sea freights? Everything is there. Ewan ko na pag di mo pa magets, no? Ganun no? So I'm happy with that. Yes.
Isa rin po, you are also a logistic affiliate for Send Express.
So, Send Express, no, it's based in Manila. Okay? I forgot to mention, no, we do have a warehouse in the US. Kasi yung ibang items, hindi po pwede yung mano-mano na siniship. Kasi may shelf life, no? Katulad ng food, no? We support also